Hi everyone, welcome to TechHub.training. Today we are going to be going over the AI Model Training and Application Challenge in ChatGPT 4.0. So to complete this challenge, you're going to need to use ChatGPT 4.0 because it requires the uploading of files. So if you don't have that, that's the paid version. Or you can find a different AI that allows you to upload files and try using it with that. So for this challenge, we are given a data set and we are asked to use that to predict future data. So what this is it's machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI where we can allow a program to learn patterns and to predict values based upon those patterns. So in this challenge, we are given a CSV with a bunch of customer reviews. And each of these customer reviews has a sentiment assigned to it, either positive or negative. And what we can do is we could give this CSV to ChatGPT, have it learn the patterns, and then ask ChatGPT to predict customer sentiments based upon new data. So ChatGPT is smart enough that it could do it without this training data file we're going to give it, but we're using it to show kind of the process of what model training is. So here's my conversation I had with ChatGPT. I first started by telling it what I wanted it to do. I was going to upload this training data set. I wanted it to learn the patterns and output sentiments in the future. I also told it to use its best judgment to know whether or not our model is working correctly because we're only giving it 100 values. If ChatGPT goes purely off of these values, it'll probably have some errors. So I uploaded it. ChatGPT took it in, took a sample, and started to understand it. And then I gave ChatGPT the unclassified data, this test data. And I asked it to read or classify these reviews as either positive or negative. So it did this and it recognized where the model was falling short. So right here, for example, says the worst customer service I've encountered, and the model GPT created classified it as positive, and it tells us why right here. Possibly misclassified due to the lack of strong negative keywords besides worst. So it knows where it was falling short. If we just asked GPT to use all of its resources to solve this problem, it would do it no problem because GPT was trained on the entire internet. So then I just asked it to fix the ones it thought were misclassified and made those changes. I asked it how many of the reviews were positive or negative. It said 11 positive, 9 negative. You might get a slightly different number because one nuance with AI is, or larger language models like ChatGPT, is that there is no one right answer. It's not a programmed A plus B equals C type program. It uses patterns and it uses math to try and figure out what comes next. So I hope you guys like this challenge. It's kind of just a simple intro into what machine learning is. Post below how many you got classified as positive or negative, what issues you ran into, or what you were able to do to get your model to be more accurate. Hope you guys enjoyed it and join us again on Tech Hub.